Did you know that businesses lose millions of dollars yearly on bad Google ads? And it's not because they like it. In most cases, it's because they don't understand the system. In this series, we are going to be covering all the Google ads specifics from the basics to the very advanced end of it. If you're losing money on ads or just starting out, then this series is for you and you should stick around to the very end. In this first video, let's just look at the basics of Google Ads. So what is Google Ads? Google Ads, formerly known as AdWords, is a pay-per-click platform for Google. You bid on keywords and your ad shows when people search. It is not free traffic like search engine optimization where you just optimize your content and when people search, it appears. This is paid and it gives you instant results if you optimize it properly. There are 4 types of ads that you can create within Google. We have search ads, display ads, video ads, and shopping ads. Search ads go mostly on top of Google search results and it is mostly pushed by keywords. Display ads are banners on Google partner websites everywhere. Video ads can be done on YouTube. They can be skippable videos. And shopping ads are mainly focused on products for e-commerce platforms if you are selling products. How does the auction or keyword bidding work? Every click is an auction. So when a user goes into Google search and types something like wireless mouse, then Google takes your keyword and ranks it based on a few factors. Some of it is the bid, the quality score, and the extensions. Now, these are all parts of an ad that you'll get to understand later. This is all called ad rank, which is calculated by bid times the quality score plus the extensions. Now, quality score is usually ranged from 1 to 10. It depends on the relevance, the landing page, the expected click-through rate. So it means that if you have a low score, then you have high costs. It is therefore important to focus on the quality score earlier in the ad development or campaign creation. Why does Google Ads work better? Now remember that when you are running Google Ads, you are targeting bottom funnel buyers, or people who are ready to buy, because you are targeting specific keywords that when they search, they appear and their intent is to purchase from you. Even though the conversion can always be lower from 10 to 15%, but then it has higher chances of conversion than when boosting a post on social platforms. This means that Google has higher intent and better return on investment compared to other promotion platforms like social media pages. Now, you may be wondering, what is the best campaign type for me? Now, search ads are best for high intents, example, services. So if you want to look for something like SEO in your location, you can use that. You can use search campaign for that and use exact match for the specific service that you're offering. Display is best for brand awareness and works best for new businesses or remarketing focus. So you're just introducing your business into the market. You understand that the first few months you're not going to get a lot of conversions. So you want to create brand awareness. You want to familiarize people with your brand. So you do a display ad that helps you get that visibility. Now, video ads is best for engagement and it's mostly on YouTube. So you can do that for a local area or a specific area of like target for your clients. Now, shopping ads, like we said before, is best for e-commerce because it mostly promotes specific products, shows the prices and a few features, and then it can lead the client directly to your conversion platform, which can be a website or directly via phone call. But mostly product ads or shopping campaigns always go to a website where a potential client can check out. It is advisable to use such ads at the beginning and scale later. This helps you get high intent potential customers who can convert. Is this one thing you must pick from this video is that you should focus on quality score from the beginning. And we said that quality score depends on the relevant keywords. The first landing pages, now we have not talked about this before, but if your page takes more than 3 seconds to load, then you'll have high bounce rates, a topic that we'll cover later. Make sure that your landing page or your conversion page is mobile optimized because most people visit your website using their mobile devices. So remember, look at the quality score checklist, use the relevant keywords that cover exactly what you're selling, have fast landing pages, conversion pages to reduce bounce rates, and make sure that it is mobile optimized. That covers the basics of Google Ads. Next, we'll look at audience personas, or how to look at and target the right audience for your product or service when you are running Google Ads. This will help you make sure that you have a lot of conversions and do not waste your budget on the wrong audience. If you need Google Ads services, feel free to contact me through the email address on the screen so that we can do a 15-minute free audit for your Google Ads account and campaigns. Like, subscribe, and comment your biggest Google Ads question so that you can get a response in the form of a video or a direct reply. See you in the next one.